Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 106 of our 365-day daily devotional. This daily devotional is called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young, and it is absolutely, hands down, the best devotional that I have personally ever done, which it's kind of the first devotional that I ever have stuck with. So that might have a little bit to do with it. But I love this devotional. It is so good. If you are looking for the previous episodes to this, there is a playlist in the description box. And if you would like to purchase one of these, you can find it at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Amazon, and also download it on Audible. I guess that's it. So let's jump right in. Okay, number 106. Trust me and don't be afraid. Many things feel out of control. Your routines are not running smoothly. You tend to feel more secure when your life is predictable. Let me lead you to the rock that is higher than you and your circumstances. Take refuge in the shelter of my wings, where you are absolutely secure. When you're shaken out of your comfort routines, grip my hand tightly and look for growth opportunities. Instead of bemoaning the loss of your comfort, accept the challenge of something new. I lead you on from glory to glory, making you fit for my kingdom. Say yes to the ways I work in your life. Trust me and don't be afraid. Man. Whew, that's a good one, and it was definitely made for me. Wow, yeah. You tend to feel more secure when your life is predictable. Let me lead you to the rock that is higher than you and your circumstances. Take refuge in the shelter of my wings, where you are absolutely secure. When you are shaken out of your comfort routines, grip my hand tightly and look for growth opportunities. Instead of bemoaning the loss of your comfort, accept the challenge. Trust me and don't be afraid. Wow, this is so good. Look for growth opportunities. You know, when our worlds get turned upside down, there's a period of time where you're kind of trying to put things back into place and get things back into routine. And, you know, through that part of it, there are so many opportunities to grow in Christ. Just like this devotional. My stepmom gave me this devotional for Christmas after the tornado. And of course, my world had been turned upside down 20 days before I got this devotional. But the Lord placed this devotional in my life at the perfect time. Doesn't God always have perfect timing? But I mean, seriously though, it was the perfect time to start this and to really get closer to the Lord. And there were just so many opportunities for growth in me, maturity, closeness with God. I've grown so much in the last couple of months. It's crazy. But those are opportunities that I needed to be looking for and taking action on. Not just sitting back well, my world's upside down, but I'm going to pray about it. And then I'm just going to leave it alone and let the Lord do. Sometimes we have to put feet with our faith. Look for those opportunities to grow. get closer to God in those opportunities. Sometimes look at, your world being shook upside down and things getting back together. Look at that as a new opportunity. Yeah. There's just so many ways to grow when stuff like that happens. But we have to be looking for those opportunities. You need to be asking God, what are you trying to teach me? You better trust and believe that the first thing I said to the Lord after that tornado was, Lord, what are you teaching me? What is happening right now? God, please show me what you're teaching me. Please let me learn from this. I didn't want that to be something that was just, happen to us and then go on about my business. I wanted to learn. I wanted to grow. I wanted to find my place in that situation. Where was I supposed to fit in? What was I supposed to be doing? You know what I mean? Not only trusting God with my situation, with my circumstances, and with my family, but also putting my feet with my faith and looking for those opportunities to get closer to God and to grow in my Christian growth and to grow just maturity-wise. I mean, I'm almost 40, but I don't think that we ever stop learning. I don't think that we should ever stop learning. To me, that just becomes like stagnant or stale, and I don't want to be stale. I want to shine, and I want the Lord's light to shine through me. So I definitely want to take the circumstances that have happened and the things that are going on in my life and let the Lord use those. Not only as opportunities for me to grow, but as opportunities for others to see me grow and to see how the Lord is working in my life. I hope that makes sense. Yeah. All right, let's do the verses. Surely God is my salvation. I will trust and not be afraid. The Lord is my strength and my song. He has become my salvation. Isaiah 12:2. Such a good verse. From the ends of the earth I call to you. I call as my heart grows faint. Lead me to the rock that is higher than I, for you have been my refuge, a stronger tower against the foe. I long to dwell in your tent forever and take refuge in the shelter of your wings. Psalms 61:2-4. But we all, with unveiled face, beholding as in a mirror the glory of the Lord, are being transformed into the same image from glory to glory, just as by the Spirit of the Lord. 2 Corinthians 3:18. But we all, with unveiled face, beholding as in a mirror the glory of the Lord, are being transformed into the same image from glory to glory. We are being transformed into the image of Christ. Okay, when you take a craft, for instance, you've got a couple little things, products that you're going to use, and you're going to transform them into this certain piece. There's a lot of work that goes into that. There's a lot of steps that go into that. And sometimes there are fails that go into transforming that piece. I hope I'm using a good analogy here. But my point is, there's lots of steps. There's lots of steps of growth. There might even be fails. But then you recover and you start again until you get to where you want that piece to be. We are being transformed. There's going to be things that happen in life. Don't let them be wasted. Look for opportunities to grow and to get closer to God. Man, I hope I explained this one well, because this is a little difficult to explain, I guess, but trust and don't be afraid. Just stand on that. Trust God and do not be afraid. There's nothing stronger, bigger, better, more loving, more loyal than God. There's nothing. Whom shall I fear? Yeah. All right, guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being here with me today. And y'all have a blessed day.